Hi all, this is Sampath. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In the today video tutorial, I'm going to show how to display the case in SAP GUI. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started. When I was end user, my manager told to create ROH material, raw material. Unfortunately, in SAP, I'm not able to see the which one is the raw material here. Difficult to identify which one is the ROH material. When purchase officer trying to create purchase order, he confused. To create standard purchase order, which document type he need to select. When finance user trying to create GL account, he confused which account group he need to select. After facing this problem, our team decided to raise the issue to SAP team. SAP team provided the simple solution. Just go to the customize local layout option, click on options. Here go to interaction design. Click on visualization 1. Just select the show keys within drop-down list. Select this checkbox. Also select this checkbox. This checkbox helps to sort the keys alphabetically. Just select this checkbox. Now click on apply and OK. Now cross check again. Rerun the transaction again. Yes, now we are able to see the keys within drop-down list. That's it today video tutorial. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.